Hey, what's up? It's your boy Billy. So today we're gonna try and teach you how to come up with some content, whether it be for YouTube, whether it be for TikTok, whether it be for your Facebook, whether it be for whatever you need. And did you know that some of the most, um, how do you say, highly viewed videos are the ones that are related to health, related to beauty, how to take care of yourself, health issues, things like that. But it's not easy. When you start off, you really need to just find your way. And let me show you something. So here's what we're going to do. So I'm in Chat GPT. All right. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say, you are the teacher. Let me go ahead and magnify this just a little bit. Okay. Plus sign, I'm sorry. All right. You are the teacher. I am the student. Teach me. So what this does, this tells the AI that you're a little bit different, that you're ready for some more in-depth on the in-depth. All right. Of course, I'm here to help and provide information on a wide range of topics. What would you like to learn or discuss? I'm into pool care. So I'm going to say, come up with a top 10 list for subjects to create for my YouTube series. So what's going to do is, so what it, I forgot to put the pull in there. All right, but let's just see what it says. It's thinking. It's analyzing a lot of data right now. Need a little bit of Jeopardy music in there. All right. Travel adventures, tech reviews. So those are just some of the things that were trending and are still are. So let's do simple as that. Let's do pool care. I misspelled it, but it doesn't care because it's still going to get it right. Anyways, it hasn't. So here we go. Let's do pool care. So it's thinking. Things like this, it tends to slow down for a second and analyze a lot of data. All right, so there you go. Certainly, creating a YouTube series on pool care can be both informative and helpful. Here are the top 10 video ideas for your pool care YouTube series. So you can follow it, you can break it up and do whatever you think should be first. And then, if you're going to do the copy and paste method, you can just tell it more. It's going to come up with even more. So just in a few minutes, now you have 10 ideas. Okay, so let's back up. So it's still thinking there. So right there, it came up with 10. All right, now you have another 10. Pool landscaping. So any of these right here that you can talk about, or you could put together on a slideshow and have it coming across the screen as you're talking while being recorded with that little thing down there. And you know, the sky is not the limit. All right. So now you have 20. If you post every day, that's 20 days. And you can keep going with this. And you can actually ask it for 20 and 30 or whatever you need, whatever you feel is necessary. And here's the cool thing about ChatGPT. Make me a 30-minute. Now you can tweak this time. Play by play narrative for my video. Watch this. This is some cool stuff right here. It's actually going to tell you what to say, how to do it, everything, the minutes, how you need to do it, how you need to be standing and everything. So it's still doing its thing. So we're just going to let it so that way it doesn't get in the way of anything. All right. So look at this. So it begins to tell you right off the bat. Introduction, 0 to 1 minute. Start with an engaging introduction showing your pool. Briefly introduce yourself and the purpose of the video. Mention that you'll cover all aspects of pool care. Then it moves into where you need to go when you 1 to 3 minutes. Explain the different types of pools. So it's reading many millions of books and data and everything to come up with this and what it thinks is the best. Now, some things you might have to tweak a little bit and make it how you want, but right here is your content. This solves your writer's block. Hey, look, check it out. I'm new, and let's get the word out. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video. Take care, y'all, and stay tuned for another episode.